I don't know that we've necessarily made a leap as such. I think you just grow. And the transition is constant. I don't think there was ever a time where we said, all right, now we're something else. Perhaps after the fact, we might have felt that we were doing things a bit differently. And I think that's more to the point. It's more about the fact that what we did when we were 5 or 10 people worked when we were 5 or 10 people. And you go along your merry way, well, we did anyway, and at 20 people, all of a sudden you look back and you thought, we can't quite do what we did when we were 5 or 10 people. And then all of a sudden at 30 people, you're changing again. And I think the business just transitions and evolves of its own accord. And if anything, you have to evolve with it. So your thought processes change. But I don't think there was ever anything like, we're going to make the great leap forward, as it were.